What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, man. We are back with another video, and today we have an early unboxing, a special early package for the Vintage Squad. Right now, man, if you want to keep seeing these early reviews, these early unboxings, and early on feats, please hit the like button to go for every single video. It's 400 likes, so please help your boy out. If you're new, subscribe, all that good stuff. IG is linked down below in the description box. If you guys have not checked out that early review and on feed over these Air Jordan 1 Vote Goals, man, make sure you go check it out. I will link that video down below. A very unique Air Jordan 1, a very unique Jordan in general. I love everything about this sneaker. They did a couple of different things with this one, which I go into full detail about in that review and on feed over these Vote Gold Air Jordan 1s, man. And let me know if you pick these things up. Let me know if you secured them, because I am very interested in knowing how you guys are feeling them in hand, and if you just pass up on these Air Jordan 1 Vote Golds. So with all that out the way, man, let's jump right into this early unboxing from the homie Topz World, man. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, I got these joints from the homie Topz World. If you guys follow him, you watch all his videos, you seen what he just did an early review over. He hooked me up, his plug helped me out. I appreciate that, big bro. Make sure you go check out the homie Topz World, link down below in the description box. And we about to get right into this thing, and these things really caught me by surprise. The quality, the colorway actually looks very dope on this silhouette right here. If you guys have not skipped through the video, man, let me know what you guys think I got early. Let me know real quick, and we're gonna do a full review and on feet in a later video. Just want to kind of, you know, tease you guys with a couple of visuals over these before we throw these joints on feet. And lately you guys have been feeling the Air Jordan 13s. I dropped a review on feed over those was the black and blue joints, the royal blue 13s. Y'all was going crazy on that video, along with those Air Jordan 12 reverse blue games. So I think mainly when I be getting these early GRs and stuff like that, people really want to know if they should drop that money on it. Should they pay the 190 to 170 for Jordan 1, all that good stuff? So that's what your boy is here for. Make sure you turn the notification bell on right now, because we have another early unboxing coming very, very soon near you, man. So let's get into this thing. He taped this thing up really good. I appreciate that, bro. As you see in my package yesterday for these Vote Golds, man, USPS really messed your boy up. The box was damaged. Even the Air Jordan 1 box, it was crazy. And today, you know what I'm saying, and shouts out to the homie, man. Package is good. Kind of blocked it to where, you know, you can't see what's inside of there. Let's get right into it. Let's get that out the way. He even bubble wrapped it for your boy. Shouts out to the bro, man, Topz World. Like I said, if you guys do not know who he is, you have to go subscribe to my guy right now. You know what I'm saying? Go check out some of his content. He does some of the best raffles on YouTube. So go check out the bro. All right, enough talking, man. Let's get into this extra layer of, you know, protection, you feel me? This is pretty good, man. So if anybody ever sends me something, please do something like this. At least, you know, put some paper around it. Put some protection to where, you know, it's not a damaged box. Because the next damaged box I get, I'm gonna be highly upset, man. So I'm gonna just rip this off real quick. And he was not playing about wrapping these joints, man. I guess that's a good thing, like I said, though. So let's get into it. Oh, come on. All right, we got the bubble wrap out the way, and now we are finally to the bag, man. Let's get into it real quick. All right, we finally here, bro. We're finally here. As you guys can see, we have an all silver box with that red Jumpman up top. You guys know this is an Air Jordan 13, and the size tag reads Air Jordan 13 Retro White, Starfish, and Black. And it's going to retail for 190 bucks. And these release next Saturday, man, for, like I said, $190. These are a size 8.5, as you guys can see right there. I usually rock a size 8.5 in my 13, so going down a half a size is something I prefer all of you guys to do. And let's get into them. Even got the receipt so we can file on the taxes. And yes, sir, the quality is pretty nice. Oh my god. And I didn't know how I was gonna really feel about these, but having these joints in hand, oh my god, check these things out. I gotta give you guys some crazy B-roll for these right here. That vibrant orange on these 13s really pops. And I feel like Jordan Brand could have did like a special pack or whatever, because we just got the Air Jordan 13 Lucky Greens, which you do have. I'm gonna grab those real quick to kind of do a little comparison, because the Lucky Green 13 quality, you know, was pretty good in my opinion. So let's get these up right here and let you guys check these beauties out. All right, guys, so like I said, man, I get all of my 13s, or most of them, in that size 8.5, as you guys can see. These are the Lucky Greens. Let me go ahead and pull these out real quick for you guys and kind of do like a quick, you know, comparison, because I don't want to do nothing too crazy. But these two colorways, thrown on a Jordan 13, man, I really love it. I feel like that predominant white upper and the splash of that vibrant color, like the green, and the orange right here. It's really, really dope. And after looking at both of the shoes right here, they're actually both tumbled, super pretty good quality on the leather, on the upper and all that good stuff. Not a lot of factory flaws with the glues or anything like that on the stitching. Of course, you got your regular Air Jordan 13 outsole, all that good stuff. Hologram Jumpman right there down below. And yeah, man, when you guys pick this pair up, and even, you know, comparing these two, this shoe is like super soft, bro, super soft. So my first impressions over these right here is that I love them, bro. I really love the sneaker. I honestly was gonna just get this shoe for early review and sell it, but after getting it in hand, check out the quality and just seeing how vibrant this orange is, it's crazy, bro. I'm telling you guys. So I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, how do you feel about these joints? Are these a cop? These a drop? I know some people that love 13s, especially after dropping that last Royal Blue 13 video. People were going crazy, like it was like, yo, these are fire, I had to get them, you know, all that good stuff. But for me, I usually tend to go after like the OG colorways, like the He Got Games, Cherry 13s, the Bread 13s, and different OG colorways. I didn't feel like I needed the Lucky Greens, but like I said, after getting these in hand, I was like, bro, that green is popping. And now that we got the Starfish or the Shattered Backboard 13s in hand, I must say these joints are crazy as well. Not a must cop, don't get me wrong. I hate to say this is a must cop, I need the sneaker or anything like that, because it's definitely not like that. The colorway is very dope, but it's not a must have in the collection. The resale is pretty high on these guys. I think that's just because it's a week out from the actual release. I definitely think it's gonna drop between like $230, $250 price range. And it seems like a lot of stores are gonna be getting these, which of course will drop that resale value. Man, Jordan brand is coming strong in 2021. We got the Volt Gold Air Jordan 1s, which I really, really like. These are some beautiful sneakers right here, I'm telling you guys. And I think these will definitely jump up, rise in resale value within the next couple of months, just because of some stuff we have never seen before, or which I've never seen before. Let me start talking for everybody. Me, myself, that backwards, you know, Nike tag on there is very dope with that sail tongue, with that sail midsole, giving it that aged look. Really makes the Volt Gold and the Tangerine pop on these. And then, you know, the week after, we're getting the Starfish, aka Shattered Backboard 13s right here. So yeah, guys, you let me know how you feel about these Starfish Air Jordan 13s down below in the comment section. Give you guys a bunch of B-roll at the end of this video and throughout the video, so you can, you know, get some first looks, see how you really feeling them. And like I said, I want everybody to comment down below what you think about these joints. The full review and on feet will be coming for these Starfish 13s. So in the meantime, smash the like button and comment some fire emojis down below. Let me know how you feel about these Starfish 13s. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Like I said, I'm trying to go crazy with the early visuals this year. And all I'm asking you guys to do is like the video and comment down below. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for pulling up to today's video. And with all that out the way, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace out.